it's Michelle, and I'm here to show you what I created with my design team package that I received from Country Craft Creations. This is for August, and this is my first project of the 3 that I'm going to do for you, and I am excited to share it with you. This is a beautiful paper collection, and I just love it. I just wanted to let you know, I got the Authentique Endless paper collection, and I received not only this 8x8 bundle, but I also received some 12x12 papers, which is what I used for this particular project that I'm going to share with you today. This collection of papers is beautiful. It's bright, it's cheery, it can be for spring, it can be for summer. It's beautiful, and it really inspired me. So along with getting that, I also got some Graphic 45 pearl gems, and then I've got some beautiful, seam binding, and I also got this lovely, lovely, lovely ribbon, which I'm going to use on my next project. I already have the perfect idea for this, but I just wanted to share with you today my first project. Videos are being completed, and I will have those uploaded as soon as I can. Hopefully, I'm thinking by, the next couple days I'll be showing this project. So let's get started. I'll show you what I made, and then I'll get those tutorials done so I can show you how to make it. So this paper collection is just gorgeous, and it inspired me to make this book, and one of the cut-aparts here is what I used for the title, and it says, "The hum of the bees is the voice of the garden." So I made what I'm calling a portfolio album. And this is an all-inclusive album in a portfolio cover, and it's reminiscent of like the file folder kind of things that you can buy at the office store. So I made this, and then I made a keyhole closure. I used the keyhole from my stash, but that's where this beautiful seam binding is coming through to help close the cover. These flowers are from my stash, but the little gems are from the Graphic 45 gems that I was sent in my design team package. And this is the paper. Again, it's Endless by Authentique, and it's just gorgeous. So let me show you what I made. So it unties like this and opens up, and then we have this wonderful set of papers to look at here. So you could put a photo mat here if you wanted to on both sides here. Over here is a pocket, and I just put some photo mats in there for 4x6 and 3x4 pictures. So I put those, tuck those in there, and then when you open this up, you'll see that the top flap has a pocket, and again I put some photo mats in here, and then there's a photo mat on the front of the pocket as well. Same with the bottom flap. There is another pocket, and I put in photo mats for pictures as well. So those are the flaps, and then we get to the actual photo album itself inside all of this yumminess. So it is closed by a seam binding closure. It is attached to the album, so it is one complete piece. It's not 2 separate pieces. On the front here, I used one of the the punch out pieces that came with the collection. It said "Life is Sweet." I thought that was a pretty way to start this album, and then I used some of the gems for that. I just matted it on some artisan cardstock here, and then 2 of the cut-aparts I put in here. So this one you could put journaling on, and then this one here says, "In the summer the song sings itself." I just thought the pictures were beautiful and perfect for this album. So then when you open it up, on the inside cover there is a nice little tri-fold here, and this is a photo mat that's adhered down, but it's underneath one of those punch outs. And then we got another photo mat here and here, and then a nice big open opportunity for a photo. Nice big open opportunity for a photo here as well. And then over here on this page, there's a photo mat that comes out behind one of the cut-aparts that I created to make a pocket. And then this page, I'm going to move it over because it opens up like this. 2 photo mats. Again, you could put a picture underneath that. And then it opens like this, and then like this. So I'm hoping I'm getting this all in the frame. Let me double check. Yes, I am. So this is open, so you could slide a picture under here. This is a pocket, and I just put a simple tag in there for the photo mat. And then here, another cut apart with a photo mat behind. So that page is like that. And then the second page, this flips up. This says Memories Last Forever. Again, I used the gems on these punch outs. I thought that was really cute. And this opens up, another spot for a photo. Here's a beautiful spot for a photo. I love these words. Some of them, it's kind of confusing when I looked at it at first because some of them are upside down and some of them aren't. So but it's fun. It's fun. It says relax, buzz, memories, sun-kissed, catching fireflies, sweet summer, summer breeze, and picnic in the park, which is, you know, it's perfect. So this pulls out because this page, this middle page is a pocket. And I just simply use more artisan cardstock to make big photo opportunities for that. I thought that would be perfect for that particular piece. And then you turn it over, and then there's two pockets here, and again photo mats in here for 3x4 photos. And then over here, this is the same as the first assembly, it's just reversed. So again, two photo mats, some of the gem dots, and then you open it up like this, and again this comes up so you could put a photo under here, and then it opens out like that. The middle pocket here, and then a photo mat under here. Okay, so that is the last page. Now, I said that, you know, it opens up, so they're mirror images, so if you could see that. So they're pretty similar on pages 1, and the page setup is number 3. And then the middle pocket, or middle page, is different. And then when you go to the back cover of the photo album, there is a pocket here, and I put a tag in there. I created a tag spot, and then I used one of the gems as the tag pull. And then this pocket opens up. There's a little punch out here that I made into a little tuck spot pocket for this tag. And there's an opportunity for journaling behind there. And then I created a pocket underneath here, and again for a 3x4 photo, and then 4x6 photos. So that is my project. Oh, this is held together by a magnet closure. I should have said that. And then the trifold in the front is held together with a magnet closure as well. So this is my project. This was really, really fun to make, and I just loved how the papers turned out. They're really gorgeous, and if you look at the papers, there's a couple different ways you can go with this, which I really, really loved. So you can do either kind of muted kind of tones like with what I did, except for I did use the butterfly thing, but then you can also like flip over to a lot of pinks and stuff. So there's really a lot of opportunity with this paper to kind of go a couple different ways. I'll flip through this really quick so you can see. This has beautiful little cut aparts. The pink wood paper, there's paisley in there. I used some of this and some of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. There's stripes in here. I mean, it's just this really beautiful papers, like the blue wood in there. There's bugs and honeycombs and birds and all kinds of stuff. So there's actually some papers in here that I didn't get in the 12x12. So I've got another project already in mind for these 8x8 papers. But again, you can get all of this at Country Craft Creations, and you can get 8x8, you can get 12x12, you can get all of the goodies to go with it. And I just really had a lot of fun making it. So I will get the tutorials ready to go, and I will get those uploaded just as absolute soon as I can, and get y'all started on this project. I loved how it turned out. It turned out even better than what I had envisioned in my mind, so that was good. All right, y'all. Well, have a really awesome day. Stay crafty, and I will see you really, really soon with a tutorial on how to make this project. Thanks again. See you later. Bye-bye.